Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Today we will be learning how you can unblock someone on Call of Duty Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open the Call of Duty Mobile application on your mobile device and sign into your account using one of your login credentials. After you are signed in from the main home page, tap on the two human icon located at the top right corner. Now tap on the friends icon from the left-hand menu. Now you will be able to see the blacklist option where you'll need to tap on at the bottom left. All of the people that you've blocked will be added on this list. To unblock someone, simply tap the unblock button right next to them and they will be removed from the blacklist. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unblock someone on Call of Duty Mobile. That's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.